whole entire product on starting the Scraper Pro, how to do pretty much everything on the Ultimate Scraper Pro, and more advanced, we're going to actually step into some sales training and some different stuff to show you guys how to make money really quick with this software. So let's jump right in and see what we got here. Here it is. You can go ahead and log in. I'm going to log in using my trial, the trial version. So it's a website, leads for sale, and then Ultimate Scraper Pro. Boom. Alright. So now that you're in, I hope you guys can see that there, and I'm actually going to go ahead and new scraper and then Craigslist. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and select 50. And the reason I started this one real quick was just because it takes a minute. You'll see when you first start a search, when you hit double click start, it'll say initiating proxy. So it does take a minute to for this thing to catch on now, but the software is super safe and you don't have to worry about getting banned anymore. So it's awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to go number 1 through 9. Number 1, we're going to select our website. I select Craigslist for this one. I selected 50 hours, and I'm going to go for SEO as my keyword. Now I can select different countries if I need to. I'm just going to go for US for now. The select alls for if you're doing cars, trucks, cell phones, things like that. You have the by owner or the all option. So I'm just going to select all, and then I'm going to go right down here and select all again. That's going to be all of my locations, and then simply go to category. I'm going for gigs. If you're going for real estate, housing. If you're going for automotive, for sale. If you're going for network marketing, MLM leads, I advise going to resumes and finding sales professionals, things like that. But we're just going to start with this basic search right now and just get it going. And as you can see, it did the same thing as it did for my first one. It says initializing proxies. And now, like I was saying before, what we had done with this is we actually integrated hundreds of different proxy servers, and you'll see right here where it says this one is already going. So let's see how fast it'll switch. So see, it's on proxy go. Now it's on go. Now it's at A proxy. Now it's at go proxy. Now it's at AA proxy PW. So it's constantly switching, and what it is these servers actually switch, and as they get banned, they just refresh. It's like an auto refresh. So they were essentially built for this type of stuff. So I know a lot of you don't really care about the technical side of it, but I wanted to make sure it was really clear to everyone who has this product exactly how it's working. But let's go into a little bit more. As you can see, it's starting to actually get going now, and like I said, it takes a minute to get going. So don't freak out if it's taking a second. But I want to talk a little bit now about adding emails and replying to people, and how we can really go about targeting some people. So the first basic things when you get this thing is I recommend adding 4 emails. Now I have 2 emails up here already. I have my MoneyMind one, and I have the website leads for sale Gmail one. So these are just examples, but you can add your 4 emails that you want. This way, when you're going to, let's go over here because I have a little bit more. Say I select all these emails and I want to reply to them. I don't want to manually go to Craigslist to try to, if I go to Craigslist and I click reply and then I have to copy this link and go to Gmail and do all that. I don't really have to do this anymore because I have the Ultimate Scraper Pro. So what I do is I select all and then I click reply. And now what this is going to do is it's going to say, let's say we'll do it for MoneyMind, seen your ad on Craigslist. I always usually start it out with this because it's really simple. It's really simple to get their attention. And then I go again, seen your ad on Craigslist. Boom. I can definitely help you out. I just need to get some information from you. Give me a call back, blah, 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 blah. And then I can also attach, if I wanted to attach some of my samples and whatnot, I can do that at that time. And then I click start. And now once I click start, give it about 30 seconds to a minute. I know now when you click start, it'll actually come up here and it'll say in parentheses, kind of like this, it'll say not responding. In our next update, we're going to change it to the software is working, please wait, because it does take about 45 seconds. 45 seconds to a minute typically to send out an email, just depending on, who you're targeting. And we're going to go into that in a minute. I just wanted to really run over the basics with you guys for this first part of it. The next little thing right here is the filters. Make sure if you only want telephone numbers, and I know a lot of people, or a lot of call centers or whatnot who use this software, they're only looking to get phone numbers. That way they can just constantly call, and that's cool. And a couple things that you can do also, as you see these top things, if you only wanted to get phone numbers, but emails are also valuable to you, I recommend just going for all, and then just clicking the phone number tab, and it'll actually pull up, your phone numbers to the top. You saw I did that, and it'll do the same thing, with your emails too. As you can see, not everybody is going to put their email in. Right here we have, well, only one person didn't put their email in. Let's see this one. On this one, actually, everybody put their email. Some people don't put their email and their phone number. It's crazy, but so you get kind of how to use that part of it. Another couple things that this thing can do is it can export to Excel, Word, and CSV. So same thing if you have a call center, or you want an employee or you just want to basically pull them all out, print them out, and then go through them there, so you can check off which ones you got to follow up. You want to do it the manual way? That's awesome. Um, you can also we have a follow-up system too. It's a built-in follow-up system. Looks exactly the same as this, except for it's just to keep you organized. Um, but that's another cool thing you guys can do. And then, like I said, file new scraper. That's going to open up new tabs, and you can run, multiple searches. So stay tuned, guys. We got a lot coming. We're about to jump into some sales training stuff and how to actually target these people on the phone. Stay tuned.